Hello, boys and girls. Josh at Random is here with a fun take on an old nursery rhyme. This is Old MacDonald Had a Zoo, illustrated and written by Iza Trapani. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald in the sty, E-I-E-I-O, saw a kangaroo walk by, E-I-E-I-O. With a hop hop up and a hop hop down, here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop hop, monkey mud went flying high, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald heard a plunk, E-I-E-I-O, an elephant had come to dunk, E-I-E-I-O. With a squirt squirt near and a squirt squirt far, here a squirt, there a squirt, everywhere a squirt squirt, water spurted from its trunk, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald heard a crunch, E-I-E-I-O. Zebras helped themselves to lunch, E-I-E-I-O. With a chomp above and a chomp below, here a chomp, there a chomp, everywhere a chomp chomp, what a hungry messy bunch, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald gaped and frowned, E-I-E-I-O, at monkeys swinging all around, E-I-E-I-O. With a whoosh whoosh low and a whoosh whoosh high, here a whoosh, there a whoosh, everywhere a whoosh whoosh, oops, the eggs fell on the ground, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald shook with fear, E-I-E-I-O, when a crocodile came near, E-I-E-I-O. With a snap to the front and a snap to the back, here snap, there snap, everywhere snap, snap, everybody disappeared, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald cried, no more, E-I-E-I-O. He stomped his foot hard on the floor, E-I-E-I-O. With a stomp, stomp left and a stomp, stomp right, here a stomp, there a stomp, everywhere a stomp, stomp. Now he had just one more chore, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald yelled, we're through, E-I-E-I-O. In his trailer went the crew, E-I-E-I-O. With a vroom to start and a vroom to end, here a vroom, there a vroom, everywhere a vroom, vroom. He returned them to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out and lets me know. Thanks, and be careful out there.